Hi everyone. My daughter got me a GoPro for Christmas, and I really like the thing, but I want to be able to put it in a lot of different places. So what I'm going to do is I am going to attempt to be able to mount a GoPro and put it on a quick clip. And if we can get it to go on a quick clip, we could stick that GoPro anywhere. Okay, so that's what I'm going to try to do. So the first thing I've done, we have one of these clips that come with GoPro, you know, the kind that have the sticky that'll stick anywhere. Now that'll work, but it's just not strong enough. Not for some of the stuff I'm going to be doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to totally remove this sticky part off of this hard plastic. Okay? Sometimes it's easier to have a vise, stick something in a vise, free up your hands. Okay, so now I've gotten that entire sticky part off this, and I'm down to the hard plastic. Now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use some epoxy. If you've never used epoxy before, this stuff, and when it sets on something, it will not let go. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put epoxy on this bar, clamp this to it, let that epoxy sit, and if what I think is true, then I'll be able to put that GoPro anywhere I can clip this to. I can clip it to anything. So let's see if it works. And when they mix together, it forms just an unbelievably tight bond. So you're going to want to this epoxy, don't get any on your fingers, mix it up, get those two chemicals going, get them mixing good together. Turn a grayish color when you get it right. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this epoxy, I'm going to put it on this bar of this clamp. I'm not going to be shy with it. Okay? Then I take the GoPro piece, and I'm just going to try to center it. I'm just going to lay it right on there like that. Now, don't get that epoxy on your finger. I'm going to make sure it's good and centered. I just want it centered. Alright, then I'll put a clamp on it. Real serious. Okay, so I'm gonna clamp that there. All right, I'll cinch this down here. I'm gonna let that dry. Now this particular brand of epoxy says it sets in 5 minutes. It's a quick set. So I'm going to let this set. I'll probably let it set for 20 minutes, and then after that I'll take it apart. I'll come back 20 minutes and I'll show you how strong it is, and then I'll show you how you can put it to some applications if it works. So stay tuned. Okay, I gave the epoxy time to dry. take that clamp off, and there you have it. This is on here. I'm telling you, epoxy is extremely strong. Once it holds on to something, it will not let go. So give that epoxy, you probably want to let it dry for 24 hours just before you start putting any kind of real pressure on it. But there you have it. The clamp, your GoPro will fit right into it. You can sit it anywhere you want. Your bench, how about hooking it to a vice grip? Hook it to a table. Hook it to anything. Anything that's not wider than that right there. That'll grab it, put it on there tight. You got a GoPro anywhere you want to go. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.